Life is about dream. Every man have the opportunity to achieve it. To care for loved ones. To decide what's important. Taking every step with dignity. To grasp freedom in their hands and to conquer challenges with their own ways. Yamaha YZF-R25 Baby M1, a superbike created from Yamaha engineers' passion, proven in international racing world. With R-Series DNA, YZF-R25 emerged impressively with aerodynamic racing design. Multi-layered body fairing design reduces air resistance and improves performance, with air duct inspired by YZR M1. Sharp-edged rear body equipped with modern LED technology backlight. The typical R-Series character double headlight, aggressive like a predator. Double disc brake with floating type for braking optimization. The largest in its category. Strong and light aluminum tire rim. Completed with white tubeless tire provides maximum traction and grip. Kayaba suspension, the largest in its class, for effortless maneuvering, more stable and comfortable. Added with multifunction superbike speedometer with complete indicator. It's time to show the world that you are here to lead. Revs your ego. Yamaha YZF-R25 with DOHC superior machining, 2-cylinder 250cc capacity. Maximum power 36 PS in 12,000 RPM. And 22.6 Newton-meter torsion, the largest in its category. 6 manual speed transmission for maximum acceleration. Advanced technology application from MotoGP Yamaha. Forged piston and DSL cylinder. Downdraft type intake throttle for better combustion. And compact combustion chamber with high compression to achieve maximum power. Yamaha YZF-R25, lighter weight compared to competitors, convenient for daily ride. Racing handlebar, 34-degree turning angle, easy to ride. Asymmetrical rear arm, and twin-tube monocross suspension for better handling. With 50-50 weight distribution, easy to maneuver. Supported by Yamaha R-Shop, ready to serve your R-Series. Three years engine guarantee. DSL cylinder and forged piston, 5 years guarantee. And 2 years electronic guarantee.